Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I just finished this painting. It is part of my portfolio project for my Milan Art Institute Mastery program. As soon as I finish portfolio, I'll go onto the marketing section and then I will be able to graduate the course. And I have to say, I'm really happy with my portfolio. I've done so many things that I never thought I could do with this course. And if you're interested in taking the course, there's a link down below. You can check it out yourself. I know a lot of artists who have done this course, and I'm telling you, they're spectacular. So, and I couldn't draw my way out of a paper bag until I took the course, and now I'm up in painting, and this is in oil. So the background is acrylics, acrylic spray paint. There's a little pink spray paint, some yellow paint in the background. And then I did this thing with the gold metallic paint, which I just love. It gives a level of luminosity and depth and whatnot. And you can see from the side, as the light comes on it, just exactly how it looks. So if you light it in a certain way, you'll be able to see. And she actually looks like she's popping out of the canvas. If I come from here and then come over here, she looks a little more flat. It's a very interesting painting. In any case, I'm here in the United States for another few weeks. This is going to have to dry for a little while because it is oil, and then I'll be able to ship it to you. So if you're interested in obtaining this beautiful painting, which, like I said, is on pressed paper, so you can frame it in whatever frame you want, definitely get in touch with me. And when you come to Italy and when you buy your house there, you're going to have a lot of bare walls. And I'm just the gal to help you fill them up. So there you go, guys. See you soon.